Hi guys, welcome back. We're so excited you're here today. Today we are showing you this amazing project in Scottsdale, Arizona, and it's the Scottsdale Oasis. This is my mom, Sandee, and we did this project together.
This client is from Chicago. We helped him create the most beautiful home, and it's a dream come true for him. Here we go.
Here we go.
Come on in.
Come on in.
Can't wait to show you.
Welcome to the first part of the home. The main entryway of this home has the dining, living, and entryway all together. When we were brought onto the project, our client had already bought a couple of items that we had to work around, but we weren't really getting a cohesive design with a true vision. And we feel like we were able to take that vision and just really run with it and really create a space that feels beautiful, elegant, and really sets a tone for the home.
We wanted to keep this space pretty open so you could walk in and see the grand hardscapes, pool, backyard, because that's a really important element to a Scottsdale Oasis, obviously. So we did a clear table, and we wanted to add a little bit of Southwest flair to each part of each room. So we did a cowhide bench just to create some texture and to bring that element to this space.
But this might be my favorite room of the whole house, maybe one of my favorite rooms I've ever done. If you guys follow me, you know I love color. We are not the crisp, white, clean palette that's popular, which I do love, but you know, that's not my vision for this space.
Actually, I was kind of scared of color. So I was really proud of Sammy when she wanted to go bold and pick these velvet sofas. I like the mixture of the yin and the yang, really mixing the old and the new.
One thing that these rooms did not have is like curtains, and these beautiful arched windows, we really wanted to highlight those. So we added these custom drapery in both the living room and the dining room to match. I think it turned out amazing. It makes the space just feel warm and inviting, but still very elegant. Okay, so this is our dining room, which I absolutely love how it turned out. In this space, we actually had the dining table and these chairs to work off of. They really look beautiful in the space. I'm excited about them. So the first thing that we wanted to do was we wanted to add a really organic feel to make it feel like the rest of the house. So we found this beautiful, huge organic wood mirror to really bring that feel into the space.
And then the rug, which I absolutely love. Almost like when you look at it, it's like a painting on the floor.
And you gotta add at least one fiddle leaf fig to every project. Let's be real. Welcome to the main bedroom.
So we designed this whole room off these two chairs.
So this fireplace actually had like a huge indented hole above it, which used to be a style. And we filled in that hole and we added in this plastered concrete texture that was custom to the space. As you can see, this room is huge. And we were really struggling finding a rug because big rugs are pretty expensive. So we ended up finding a custom rug, and it's completely beautiful. It's really lush and textured and soft at the same time. One of the first things we chose for the bedroom is this green bed, which I am in love with. Once we picked that green bed, things really started falling into place. One thing I don't think we mentioned about our client yet is that he actually has 3 teenage young adult daughters. He's a single dad. So this space, this primary bedroom, is super masculine, but we wanted, you know, a super fun, colorful vibe in the guest room, so we're gonna take you there next.
So we wanted all the guest bedrooms to be similar but different. So we found this tribal looking rug that's very unique. I wanted something different for the bathroom rugs. In a lot of Sammy's homes, she does these modern yarn art. They're all custom. One of my favorite spots out here, so when the girls or anyone comes in from the pool, they can take their shower, sit down, relax, grab a towel. You know, I love convenience.
This is probably my favorite guest room in the whole house. We actually had this chair that we had to work with, and as you can see, it's like a super traditional leather chair, but we love the color so much, so we just made a whole room orange. We chose this beautiful linen bedding and these textural lamps, and then added the curtains to really make the room soft and comfortable and just relaxing for anyone who's staying here. This is the office, hangout, TV room space of the whole house because our client does have 3 young adult girls, like their friends are gonna be spending a lot of time here, so we really needed a comfortable space. We were more, you know, on the budget side in this room. You know, they're probably gonna ruin things. So a lot of the furniture in here is from West Elm, but we didn't want it to feel like a West Elm commercial, so we really still wanted to feel elevated. So we added this beautiful table. Okay, this was an unexpected spot that we didn't necessarily plan to do at first, but it's right off the office, and our client really wanted a place to come sit, relax, if he wanted to work outside when the weather wasn't a million degrees. One important thing to talk about in this home is our client bought the home this summer and really wanted it to be, you know, turnkey ready and ready to live in, relax as soon as possible. The kitchen felt really outdated when we came in. It had super chrome hardware, you know, an old like short faucet. But one thing that you can always do in a kitchen to kind of give it a facelift is change the hardware, change out your faucets. You know, it can really uplift the space. We can't always have our dream kitchen, but I think it actually makes the kitchen feel new. Right off of the kitchen, we have our favorite space in the whole home. And it is this big, beautiful, amazing family room.
This is the heart of the house.
Yeah.
We are so excited about this room. So when we came in, it was very dated. We had a very 90s whole wood, very chunky wall unit here, and we had chunky wall unit here. So we tore all of that out and gave it a very modern, sleek look with these 12 by 24 cement tiles.
And actually, it's worth noting that this wasn't like cheap to take it out and put tile up, but it was cheaper than like built-ins. You know, I think a lot of people don't think about putting tile on their wall, but it's definitely a way to update a space.
So this is a really unique corner.
And actually, one thing that is really cool too is this Eames chair, obviously super high price point, and this painting was $500. And so it just shows that you can really pair budget items with super high-end things, and you would never know. I shouldn't have told you.
So we wanted this to be very peaceful and very serene, a place for everybody to come relax. We went for the largest sofa we could buy, so everyone, the whole family, could fit on the sofa. Of course, we had to add our southwestern piece, so we chose these lamps. We have a horse and this cactus.
That's a wrap! Oh, we're fine. Thank you guys so much for watching today. If you like our video, definitely subscribe to our channel, hit the bell button, and press the bell. I don't even know where the bell is, but you should do it.
Press any bell. See what happens.
And yeah, thanks for watching.